Hey friends, this is Nirmal from NirmalTV.com, and today we are going to have a quick comparison of the Nokia Lumia 925 with the Lumia 920. So the Lumia 920 was released last year when Microsoft and Nokia released the Windows Phone 8. So this was the flagship phone with the 8.7 megapixel pure view camera and one of the best phones released by Nokia. So Lumia 925 was released as an upgrade to Lumia 920, and this was released back in May this year. And there are few changes to 925 when compared to 920. So there are both physical changes as well as minor hardware changes as well. So let's have a quick look at both the phones. So one of the complaints with the Lumia 920 was that it was pretty heavy. In fact, at 185 grams, it is one of the heaviest phones. For that screen size, it's pretty heavy. So this was one of the complaints with Lumia 920, and so Nokia has addressed that concern with 925, which is slimmer as well as light in weight. At 139 grams, there is a massive reduction in weight because of the aluminium used in the body construction. So that aspect has brought down the weight massively. So that is one good aspect with the 925. The weight has been reduced further. If you can see, the thickness has been also come down with the 925. The 920 had a curved design. The curved design is retained in 920 as 925 as well, but you can see the thickness has been reduced drastically, and it holds pretty good in hand, and when compared to the 920. And moreover, there are few changes in the hardware buttons as well. Hardware features as well. So you can see the SIM tray, the micro USB, as well as the 3.5 mm jack all are at the top, while for Lumia 920 you have the SIM tray as well as 3.5 mm jack and the mic here, but the micro USB and the speakers are at the bottom. Now at the bottom for Nokia Lumia 925, there are no openings. It's blank there. Then at the sides, it's almost similar. On the left side you don't have any buttons, and on the right you have the hardware buttons for volume, power button, as well as the camera key. And on the back you have quite a few changes. This camera is almost similar, but this has a 6 lens layout when compared to the 5 lens layout in Lumia 920. It also features the dual LED flash, the 8.7 megapixel pure view camera, and another thing is that the speakers have been moved from bottom to the back position in Lumia 925, and you can see three dots here. These are for wireless charging accessory. So 925 does not come with the wireless charging built-in. Instead you have to use the covers. So once you snap the covers onto this phone, you can use the wireless charging. But Lumia 920 comes with the wireless charging inbuilt. Probably this is one of the first phones, and as well as the current phones do not come with wireless charging built in. So this 920 comes with wireless charging, so you can use it if you have a wireless charger, you can use without any covers. Okay, on the display aspect, both have a 4.5 inch display, but the 925 has an AMOLED display, which makes it a little better than the IPS display on 920. And if you can see, it's a tad brighter in the 925 when compared to 920. And if you can see this display, the screen has a slight curve at the towards the end, and but on 925 that curve has been decreased, although there is a slight curve, but it's not that much when compared to 920. And moreover, as we said, the thickness is drastically reduced, and this 925 feels really good in hand because of the dimensions as well as the size and the weight, which has been reduced when compared to 920. And on the specs front, they are almost similar. Both have Windows Phone 8 and run on 1.5 gigahertz dual core Snapdragon processor, and both features almost similar aspects. But another aspect where Lumia 920 wins is this comes with 32 gigabytes of storage, while 925 comes with only 16 gigabytes, which means if you keep a lot of movies and songs on your phone, then you might just run out of storage on 925, and there is no option to expand it using micro SD card. But on 920 you have 32 gigabytes of memory, so that should be good enough to keep your songs as well as movies. So that's all in the comparison aspect, and rest all looks very similar. So in case you have any questions or queries on Lumia 925, you can post it in comments and we'll be glad to help you out. So that's all guys, so thanks for watching the video.